Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict cup file shop where I am going to be using this cup file that is called the Stitch Clouds background. It was released in March of 2020 and I did do the stitching off camera along with giving two different types of dimensions. I grabbed two different grays because I am using the Fresh Bouquet and the Marigold collection from Crepe Paper. I don't have all that much of this collection, these two collections. I got more of it in like the hip kits and stuff, I think, mainly than me purchasing it itself. But I have enough to be able to get a couple good layouts out of it, and so I decided to start using it. Now, the photos are of the Dutch and Duchess of Sussex. I am a huge fan of Harry and Meghan. I just follow a lot of them. I've followed all their Instagram, anything that comes up about them. I always try to see if I can sneak in and look a little bit into their lives. I have scrapbooked I have done their wedding. I have done their announcement to when they were announced that they were pregnant with Archie, and I have also now scrapbooking when they did the announcement of when they came out and showed the world Archie for the first time, and it took them a while. I mean, they didn't do it like what they normally do, and honestly, it didn't bother me a bit. I did stalk the Instagram as much as I possibly could until I could find that they released at least a couple photos of Archie and all of that. Because I absolutely love these two. I have been a huge fan of theirs, like I said, and I'm a huge fan of Meghan. Been a huge fan of hers since Suits, since she's been married for the first time. I've watched everything that I possibly could of hers. When she had to shut down her Instagram and her blog, I was super, super sad because obviously, they had to go into doing the royal stuff, but I was super sad. I really wish she would open that back up again just so that I could see all of her posts because I just love her. She's one of my favorites that is in that in that setting and stuff. And so yeah, that's a little bit of that. So the first photo that I placed down, that one is of them walking away and then walking and looking at Archie. That is in the palace. They are in Buckingham Palace. And when they took the photos, I wanted both of them, and I took them and I actually screenshotted them off of their Instagram. And I then turned them black and white because I felt that with the way this collection works and the way the collection of I'm thinking more of like the black and the dark gray tones, that the black and white worked out well for this. And it is a moment in time. I wanted it to be very whimsical because they're in the clouds. Because my title, you'll see what my title is when we get to it. And it is definitely not the heartfelt that's down there in the bottom. I did put this sticker down that says picture perfect because it is. It's absolutely picture perfect. I just love these two photos. They're wonderful. I have not scrapbooked I haven't scrapbooked the London photos yet. I'm just trying to finish up all the other ones first before I get to doing that one. And I'm excited for when I get to London because I was at Buckingham Palace and excuse me. When we were there, or when I went to go visit, because my family wasn't there, I was on a nanny trip. But when I went to go visit there, the Queen was in the office or in the palace, so that just made me feel even that much cooler and felt like, ooh, I was kind of glad that the Queen was there. There was people roaming around. Obviously, I'm a huge Crown fan. I'm completely caught up on The Crown. Obviously, I think I've watched Suits like 3 times now. I'm like obsessed with Suits, and if you want to see Suits, is on Amazon Prime for free. All of the seasons are there, and let me tell you, she is not in the last 2 seasons of Suits, but here nor there, it's still one of the best series ever. I just love it. That's just me and my take on it, but I'm adding butterflies and all of this kind of stuff to this collection on this layout because it just fits wonderfully. Also, make sure that you go check out her shop, Virginia's shop. All of that is all going to be linked down below, along to her group and all of that jazz, because, like I said, this is my first layout going into 2021, but she has some fun stuff coming up, because I have been on her design team for 2 years now, or it will be 2 years in March, April. Yeah, it'll be 2 years since I have been using her cut files, and I just go through all of my layouts, and I'm just like all giddy every time I look at all of her cut files and stuff that I have used. I'm just going through these hellacious big embellishments. Now, if I had a different layout, these embellishments probably would work for me, but because of the way I have this set up, I'm like, it's just too big. They're too big. So I do keep these butterflies. You'll see what I do. The butterflies and stuff stay. And I just love them kind of going off the page like that up there, because the title is not down yet, but it'll come. And then it'll fill in the white spaces where it's kind of like missing embellishments, if you know what I mean, for that respect. And so I cut this banner or this sticker down, and I place it in 2 different spots behind this one just to add a little bit of something. And I'm doing the same here for the top part. It says celebrate the picture perfect, and it is. To me, they're just picture perfect. They take photographs so well together, all of this. I just love the Royals, and I just love these 2, now 3. So very much, even though that we don't see much of Archie, obviously. I am working on some thread. I put some pink thread behind the butterfly that's up at the top, and then I use this green color that's in the leaves down at the bottom, and I play along with the thread, the ends of it, just to add somewhere, to add a little bit of pizzazz to it. I guess it's the best way. I do come in with my title, and my title is going to be called Cloud 9. I started on the outside, and I was on Cloud 9. That it's very much of a pun related layout, or title, I should say. And I do spill out the word 9, and you'll see how I get it tucked in there. I play around with it, but I like how I kind of just woven it along the clouds, just to add that little bit of something to it. I do glue down the Cloud 9 when I get done with this, because obviously American Craft Stickers doesn't stick. I do come in and I round out with Shimmerz paint. I absolutely love this one. It's called the Precious Metals, and I leave it very thick, and I leave dots like enamel dots. The one thing I like about the Shimmerz, and this particular one is that you can use it just like enamel dots. They stay just as thick, and they stay just as round, and they don't flatten like the enamel dots do. So that's like the cool part about why I love this over using Nouveau Drops. But I'm adding all these 3 little dots everywhere, and then I do come in and splatter it with some extra white, and go from there. I am going to leave you with all of the splatters. I do come in at the end. You'll see me use my black pen, and I go around the edges because I absolutely love how it ties that part all together. The still shots are coming up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love to have you. I hope you hit that like and subscribe button. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do design team layouts, 12 by 12 layouts, and also traveler's notebooks. And this is where I'm rounding out using my journaling pen. And then that is it. Still shots are coming up. I hope you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.